Mortgage Guy at Mortgage Mondays, episode 76, where I'm talking about the home loan process. Matt, the Mortgage Guy, Mortgage Mondays, episode 76. I wanted to make a quick video to go over the home loan process. Now, this will be part one of a three-part series where I walk you through the steps, the what to expect when purchasing a home. So, without further ado, you've already been pre-approved, you're out shopping for a house, you make an offer and you get it accepted. This is what you should expect the very first week in the home loan process. Accepted offer, congratulations. You get a call from me. Hey, I heard from your agent. You got an accepted offer. Congrats. Looking forward to a smooth process, working with you over the next 30 days. Get this thing closed on time and get you home. So from your agent, what I'll get is that fully executed purchase contract with you and the seller, both signing that. And I'll reach out to title and get the fees from them that very first day. Once I have the fees from title, we'll send out the initial disclosures, which come to you via email, and that's from a third-party Conformex because it's all DocuSign. There'll be 40 or 50 pages of different disclosures, some more important than others, that you'll just be able to click through and sign online. A couple you'll have to print out, hand sign, and fax or scan and email back to us. A couple of those docs that require that. But that's the initial disclosures, and that should come within 24 to 48 hours of getting into contract. Once those initial disclosures have been signed, we will send you a link to pay for your appraisal. And this beginning steps are going to happen pretty quick, and we'll want to put our foot on the gas in order to stay within our time frame of closing this thing in 25 or 30 days. So initial disclosures are signed. You get a link to pay for the appraisal. It will not be assigned or scheduled until you pay. So you'll probably get a reminder from us saying, hey, we've sent you the link. Go ahead and log on, pay for your appraisal to get that going. And once you pay for that appraisal, you will be contacted by a transaction coordinator from our office that says, hey, I work with Matt Uge. Here are the things I'd like to gather from you before we submit to underwriting to make it a smooth underwrite, nice, fast process. This can vary. This can be a letter explaining your different addresses that showed up on your credit report. It can be the May bank statement that you didn't provide when I initially gathered your documents. It could be an updated pay stub. Things like that, which my office and how we operate are going to be really thorough up front so that as it goes through underwriting, it's a really complete file that gets the nice clean approval where you don't have to keep going back and forth with you. We're going to ask for all that stuff up front. So initial disclosures, pay for your appraisal, transaction coordinator that's working directly with you to gather the documentation needed to submit a really complete file. So that's called the needs list. That's what we call it, at least in this office. You'll get that needs list. Hey, get this stuff back to us in the next 24 to 40 hours so we can submit to underwriting. So that's it for the very first week of what you're going to see. You're going to see initial disclosures, pay for your appraisal, needs list, gather items to submit to underwriting. And that should happen all within the first week. We've got a really good system here. We're trying to get your transaction closed as soon as possible, as smooth as possible. So within 24 to 48 hours of getting into contract, we've got initial disclosures out. We've got your appraisal link out so you can pay for your appraisal. We've also got a list to you saying get us these documents. And within 3 or 4 days of being in contract, those documents should be in and we should be submitted to underwriting and on our way. Any questions, feel free to reach out. Matt, the Mortgage Guy, Mortgage Mondays. In step 2, I'll go over the next couple weeks in the home loan process where you'll be doing a lot of sitting back and relaxing while we're doing some work internally. Until next time.
529-7600-916-529-7600. Experienced and professional when you're ready to apply. Call Matt, the Mortgage Guy. Call Matt, the Mortgage Guy. When you're ready to apply, call Matt the Mortgage Guy or visit mattthemortgageguy.com. Visit mattthemortgageguy.com.